With time series data, there are two numerical variables, and it is natural to display them with coordinate graphs. If the points are plotted but not connected, the graph is called a scatter plot. If the data points are connected with line segments, the graph is called a line graph. The average rate of change, or slope, is a comparison between two values, comparing the change between 2 points, which can be done by plugging into the equation. These are examples of a line graph and a scatter plot using the data from above. To find the rate of change, you simply plug in the corresponding x and y coordinates, and you get 4.8. Here's a list of different types of graphs. There are many to choose from, and it is important to choose an appropriate graph to match your data, making it easier and more accurate to interpret. For this dataset, a pie or a bar graph could be effective in representing the data, each having their own benefits. The circle graph is more effective in showing how many athletes are in each sport compared to all women's sports. From the bar graph, it's easier to compare the number of women participating in each sport. Displays have their own advantages and disadvantages. Think of what will be effective and will satisfy these criteria. It should be technically accurate, so that the axis or scale should be labeled. Number lines and coordinate axis should have equal intervals. Second, a display should tell the story the author wants to convey, effectively showing what needs to be shown.